Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 2008. This is the Allura, so it does come with a really nice specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices. You can also use your multi-function touchscreen for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got dual zone climate control as well as rear parking aids. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.